Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. How likely it is to have a crash right now? And we are going to explain everything. Before we begin though, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box and in the comment section. You can either join Patreon/MindYourCrypto, BuyMeACoffee/MindYourCrypto or BillMindYourCrypto.com. You will get amazing profits, including an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, live trading, and of course, scalping trading strategy to recover your losses from the previous weeks, and many other benefits. You won't regret it. You can cancel anytime you like. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see Bitcoin. And we will discuss a little bit on the short term, and we are going to see more macro perspective on Bitcoin. So right now, what are we going to do? Is that we are having Bitcoin above the 50-day exponential moving average. This is the red line. This is the exponential moving average we are talking about. And the yellow line is the 20-day exponential moving average. And we have the price above those lines. And is this bullish? No. Okay, this is not bullish. We have seen that going on in the previous times as well, in the previous hours. But we are going to see something new today. We are going to see Bitcoin shorts, and I'm going to tell you why it is becoming a little bit more unlikely to see a crash like this. And of course, we are going to discuss the price action, the recent price action of Bitcoin, because right now you can see that Bitcoin is not moving upwards. It struggles a little bit to go higher, and we have the stochastic RSI in an overbought. Around here, around this area that we have the stochastic RSI in an overbought on the daily frame, we are going to see eventually if we can have a crash or not. Because right now that we are struggling and we are seeing this stochastic RSI going into an overbought, we have to see how the price will react towards this risk that we have. An overbought situation means when we have too many buyers stepping in, and we will soon see the sellers going into the market. And as well as we have the RSI right now, you can see that the RSI is not yet bullish. We can have another drop down. We already have bearish, actually lower lows and lower highs, and the RSI though is getting very close to 30s again, while we had an oversold situation a while back. I feel like the sellers are getting tired. Short positions are getting tired, especially now that we have the weekly commodity channel into an oversold situation. Same here with the stochastic RSI, and the same with the Fisher transform. You can see we are below -2. Okay, so right now all this leads to maybe a potential swing high. But we have first to see if we are going down here and we are going to get down to the 31.6 maybe, we will see the support levels as well. So what we are going to do is to draw the Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to this top. Okay, I got confused with the draw and the do, and I made a new word. But anyway, we can get maybe to the 31.4K. I feel like, yes, maybe without a crash though. And if we do it, because I feel like that we are going to soon see, what am I doing now? To soon see, yeah, a sideways price action, okay, going a little bit like this, and I feel like the altcoins will be ready to pump at the same time. Okay, so what I'm going to feel like is I'm going to just go sideways, maybe a little bit further down. We are going to see that though, we are nowhere near the 20-day EMA, and then we will see some altcoins pump. Let's go to something new, the Bitcoin USD shorts, the short positions right there. You can see how many shorts did we have back then. On 18 June, we had one of the most promising short positions ever. Okay, you can see how many shorts did we have, and we went all the way down on 24 October where we had the last swing high right here. And of course, we formed a new high towards getting into 10 November. You can see right now from 10 November, we had this breakout on the Bitcoin USD shorts. Then we went all the way upwards. On 3rd December, we were just going a little bit further down, you know, going sideways. Here now we achieved another top on shorts back on 21st January with this crash right there. And I feel like maybe now we're getting down to the shorts. Not many positions will be shorted, and therefore the price will be going upwards. Okay, so you can see the curve connecting the bottoms, the curve connecting the tops, and you can see that right here we are in the top line. This could be something like this. Okay, the curve could be something like more down, more upwards. Okay, it doesn't matter though, we can have it more down, okay, more upwards in terms of this one right here, but anyway we are near the top. Okay, the curves might be a little bit biased because I do not connect exactly the tops. However, the whole idea, the whole perspective right there is that we have the Bitcoin into the highest of the USD shorts, and therefore we expect maybe the short positions to decrease while the long positions will increase. That means that the crash is unlikely. However, though, what is the next step for Bitcoin and what we want to pay attention to is the fact that we have the stochastic RSI into an overbought. Okay, this is not good usually when you see the stochastic RSI in an overbought, but the commodity channel index near an oversold, while the RSI is near an oversold as well. This leads to another correction. The most likely is to have another correction throughout the Monday, maybe the next day, we will see about that. But anyway, this will lead to another correction. But at the same time, what I hope for and what I'm looking at is basically not to drop down from the 34,000, 35 to 34 around there, or if we are about to drop down, maybe to form a double bottom and then eventually climb back up. Okay, this is what I'm hoping for, and not a crash. Okay, we do not want a crash, so we can let the altcoins get some air, breathe some fresh air right there, and start to climb upwards. Because if we get a crash, then you know what this means. It means that altcoins will be a little bit struggling. However, though, I do not feel like we are going to get the huge crash that we had back on minus 10%. Although a mini crash should be the case, like right here, like minus 4%, minus 5% or so, but we are not going to see the same price action as we saw before. Okay, and we are going to start to soon see, actually, and I believe February will be very, very good for Bitcoin. We are going to see the nice swing high that we are talking about, and Bitcoin going higher into the 46, 47k. This is my target for Bitcoin as well, and I really feel that we can do it. As for the Bitcoin price action, what will happen with the altcoins is that if we get a sideways price action, maybe a little bit down, we do not care as long as we do not have a crash, then the altcoins will be able to move even higher. But until then, they won't. Thank you so much. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. You will get easy profits, you will know technical analysis, you will become an expert, and you will be able to trade by yourself. Thank you, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.